Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do this mini cookie together, so let's start it. My hook size is 2.25mm. We leave about this long and hold our yarn like this. Fold it, put our hook in, yarn over here, then fasten this part. Yarn over is 1 chain. We need to do 8 chain in total. After the 8 chain, we need to do a double crochet into the 3rd stitch from our hook. We yarn over, put our hook into the 3rd stitch from our hook. Yarn over here, then yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. This is our first double crochet. Then we need to do 2 more. Yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then 2 loops. In our next double crochet, we need to change our yarn color. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, then yarn over, go through first 2 loops. In here, we grab our other color, hold our yarn like this, put it on the back, yarn over, go through 2 loops. We should have 3 stitches left. For those 3 stitches, we use our yellow yarn to do 3 double crochet, 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, yarn over, put our hook into our next stitch. And we can put those 2 ends on top of hook to carry it, just like this. Yarn over here, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Last stitch, a double crochet, yarn over, put our hook in, carry those 2 ends. Yarn over here, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then 2 loops. Then in our very last stitch, we need to change our yarn color back to the brown color. We yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, then yarn over, go through first 2 loops. We grab our other color, yarn over 2 loops. We do 2 chain to start our next round. Then we flip it, yarn over here, put our hook into the very first stitch, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. Repeat it 2 times. In our very last double crochet, we need to change our yarn color. We yarn over, put our hook into the 3rd one, yarn over here, yarn over, go through first 2 loops. We leave about this long, then snip off the yellow yarn, hold our yarn like this, put it on the back, yarn over, go through 2 loops. Then we need to do 3 double crochet, 1 stitch, 1 double crochet, yarn over, put our hook into the next stitch. We can put those 2 ends on top of hook to carry them like this. Yarn over here, go through first 2 loops, then 2 loops. Repeat it 2 more times. Then our very last stitch, yarn over, put our hook in, yarn over here, yarn over, go through first 2 loops, then yarn over 2 loops. We should have something like this. We do 1 chain and leave a long yarn like this, snip off. Same for the other color, leave a long yarn and snip off. This is a single piece version and this is a 2-piece version. Feel free to make whichever you like the best. If you want to make the thicker version, you just crochet 2 of them. The pattern is completely the same. Then put them together like this, sew the outline in the very last. So then we just use our needle to wrap those yarn like this. Put our needle from back to front like this. Just repeat doing it. So I'll finish the brown part, then is the yellow part. We can put this brown part to this side, so after finish the yellow part, we can continue use this brown yarn to finish this side. Like this, put the needle from back to the front. So after finishing this side, we just repeat the same for this part. Put your needle from the back to the front and just wrap it. Then the last part is the yellow part. We can start from either this side or this side, from the back to the front. So that's all about today's tutorial. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave a comment below if you have any questions. I will see you next week. Bye.